Here I have Motorola Moto G82, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable app drawer, or how it's called on this device, app tray, on this device. So firstly you have to just hold down your finger on like any free space of your home screen, then go to the home settings and then go to the home screen style. So as you can see right now I have like this app tray, aka app drawer, enabled, but you can also enable just this open, where you don't have any app drawer, you just have all apps on your home screen, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.